Hi guys, in today's video, you are going to learn how to make a contact. You can pause at any point during the video if you need extra time. So let's jump right into it. First, we are going to power on the device. After the device is turned on, we need to find the Contacts app. If you do not see it on this main screen, you may need to swipe up. My Contacts app is right here. We will now click on the Contacts app. Once we are on the Contacts app, we will look for a blue circle. The blue circle is at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. After you click on the circle, it will prompt you to enter a name. We're going to name this person Tim. After we enter Tim's name, we need to click the blue arrow at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now we are going to enter Tim's phone number. Tim's phone number is 111-222-3333. After we've entered the phone number, we are going to click the check mark at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You have now successfully saved a contact. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found the video informative, click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.